To check the system information on your Windows 11 PC, go ahead and right-click on your Start button and then choose System from the menu that pops up. That's the left click. You only right-click the first time. All right. So here we have our device specifications. The device name is the name your computer will show up as in a network setting. All right. Tells you what your processor is. This is an Apple processor because this is a virtual machine, a virtual Windows 11 on an Apple machine, right? That's why we showed that shows up there. Tells you how much RAM you have installed. And the other important bit here is the system type, whether it's a 32-bit or 64-bit operating system. You'll need to know that if you're downloading drivers, etc. Now, also under Windows specifications here, we can see the edition of Windows that you have. This is Windows 11 Home. Of course, there's Windows Server, Windows Pro, etc. And below that, the specific version of the edition that you have. So depending on how updated you are, this version number here will change. Right? There's also related links here. You can tweak system protection settings and advanced system settings, but those would be topics for another video. Keep in mind that if you need to share this information, you can click on copy, and the device specifications in this case will be copied to your clipboard, and now you can paste it into a form for support or what have you, right? And then similarly, you can copy your Windows specifications. Just remember, when you're copying and pasting, you have to copy, paste, and then copy, paste. If you copy twice, you'll only get the last bit copied, right? Clipboard only holds one item at a time.